Hello and welcome to the Magic Pencil. My name's Andrew and this is
Yuli.
And today we're going to be doing a tutorial on how to draw a
Shark.
Shall we begin?
Yes.
Let's get started. I'm going to start with a blue pen and then we're going to do a black outline afterwards, okay? One? Yeah, alright. Just that way if we make some mistakes with the fins, it won't matter, yeah? Because we can go around it and correct it, okay? So first of all, can you draw a leaf shape?
Yeah.
So basically this shark is going to be made out of leaf shapes. So we're going to draw a leaf and then we're going to leave little gaps for where the fins would be. So first of all, let's just start with its nose. And the nose on the shark's really important because they use that to sense things. So we just do that little line to begin with there. Yeah, and then this side, we're going to curl round a little bit. So we're going to go round like that. And then like that.
That looks a bit
Okay. And then just here, I'm going to put a little curve there, like that. You do that. Okay. And then I'm just going to move this along a little bit like that. Then we're going to leave a gap. Do another bit like that. So this is starting to be the leaf shape, and then I'm going to draw another curve in like that. And then on this side we're leaving a little gap.
How many legs does it have?
Well, this is it. I've made a mistake. I put my gap too close, so that's a good job we was using the blue pen. Alright, so you need to move back a little bit. That's it, great. And then we're going to do another bit like that. Okay?
But
okay,
and then we're going to.
That's alright, don't worry. And then we're going to do the tail. So we're going to do a leaf shape coming off the top here. So like that, and then like that. Great. And then this side, with the tail, I'm going to do another leaf shape that way, and that way, like that. See? That's fantastic. Okay, so we're going to do kind of like a curve and then a straight line for the little tiny fin that they have on their tail, which is there. Then we can do another one that side like that. Okay, and here I'm going to start to do a leaf and then I'm going to do a straight line back. So I'm going to do a curve up to there and then I'm going to do a straight line joining from there to there. Okay, and then this side I'm going to do a curve and then a straight line. So I'm going to do a curve line that way and then a straight line like that. Okay, you got that? And then for where I've made a mistake, I'm going to do a curve like that and then a straight line like that. Okay, so we're starting to get the shark. So what we need to do is we need to do the gills. So I'll do that.
How close to the face?
Keep it back behind, like kind of where the see where the fins start. So it's about there. Yeah. So just up from the fins. Okay, and then we can do these little sharp teeth sticking out like that.
Otherwise it'll be a
toothless
shark.
I might curve it up a little bit so yeah, okay. And then we're going to give him a little round button eye like that. Okay, I probably want to switch to black now because we kind of know where we're going. Okay, so for the tail I'm going to do some little black lines along that edge like that and along here. Okay, and on the top, I think that's called the dorsal fin, up there like that. Yeah, let's do it like that. Okay. And then I forgot, I was supposed to do a little fin underneath here, so there's a little fin just under there. Okay, now let's go over it and strengthen it up, and then we can start to colour it in.
It doesn't look weird.
Yours looks great. I think yours looks a bit like a catfish, which is like a small, cute shark that you can get.
good thing?
Yeah, of course it's a good thing.
But are we meant to go all over it?
Just make some bit of the line stronger than others. We don't need to do the gills, but just because it's going to be swimming in the water and we kind of want it to stand out from the blue of the water. And look, you can see where I made a mistake on that fin. So if I go over it with a black, the mistake's less obvious, okay?
Yeah.
And oh, I forgot something else which is important. Sharks have got little sensory pits along their nose. So I'm just going to do some little dots for where their sensors are, which helps them to find fish that are hiding underneath the sand. Okay, perfect. Right, should we colour it in then? Wow, what an amazing drawing. I hope you enjoyed our tutorial and please subscribe to our channel. Press the bell if you'd like to receive notifications and don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you like us. We also want to announce a competition which will be run until the end of September. If you send in a picture to our Facebook page, you could win this amazing
book
of how to draw animals. Post your picture into our Facebook page, which is Magic Pencil Art for Kids, and Yuli and our panel of experts will pick a winner. Thank you very much for watching and we look forward to seeing you soon. Bye bye.
Goodbye.